Welcome to today's session on organizational control. Effective controls ensure efficiency, goal alignment, and high performance. This lesson covers control systems, their functions, and application for better performance. Let's dive in. After studying this chapter, you should be able to define the three types of control: feed-forward, concurrent, and feedback. Explain how each type of control functions within an organization. Before we dive deeper into the lesson, let's take a look at the main points. 1. Three types of control: feed-forward control, concurrent controls, feedback controls. Number 2. Control system. The first is output control, results-based control. The second is behavioral control, process-based control. And the last one is clan control, cultural control. First, let's explore the three types of control. Organizations implement control mechanisms at different stages of their operation to ensure efficiency, effectiveness, and goal alignment. These controls are classified into preventive controls before activity, concurrent controls during activities, and feedback controls after activity. Now, let's look at preventive control, feed-forward control, before activity. Definition: preventive controls focus on avoiding problems before they occur by setting standards, policies, and quality measures in advance. Example: a car manufacturer inspects raw materials, steel, rubber, before production to ensure they meet safety and quality standards. Next, let's explore how concurrent control helps manage operation in real time. Definition: this control monitors operations in real time, allowing managers to detect and correct issues as they arise. Example: a chef in a restaurant tasting dishes during preparation to ensure they meet the required standards.
Now, let's move on to feedback controls and see how they help improve future performance. Feedback controls assess the outcome of activity to determine whether goals were met and what improvements are needed for the future. For example, a restaurant collects customer reviews after dining experience and adjusts its menus based on feedback.
The second content of the article is control system. Control system help organizations monitor and regulate activities to ensure they meet strategic goals. The three main types of control system are output control, behavioral control, and clan control. Next, let's look at output control, which focuses on measuring results to ensure goals are met. Definition: output control focuses on measuring performance based on results rather than the process. It uses financial metrics, productivity indicators, and performance benchmarks and evaluate effectiveness. Advantage: objective and quantifiable evaluation align employee effort with organizational goals, accurate accountability, and competition. Disadvantage: may overlook the process and ethical consideration. Employee may focus on short-term gain instead of long-term sustainability. Example: financial measure, ROI, return on investment, profit margin, revenue growth. Performance metric, employee sales target, customer satisfaction rating, production efficiency, number of unique products per hour in a factory.
Next, turn to the next part, behavioral controls, process-based control. Behavioral control regulates how employees perform their tasks by implementing rules, standard operating procedures, and direct supervisions. Advantage helps maintain consistency and reduce errors. Ensure employees follow best practice, useful in highly regulated industries, for example, healthcare, finance. Disadvantage can reduce reactivity and flexibility. Employees may feel micromanaged. For example, company policies and procedures, records, attendance rules, ethical guidelines, performance standards, regular employees evaluations, mandatory training sessions, supervision and monitoring. Managers oversee an employees' workflows to ensure compliance.
The final content is clan control, cultural control. Definition: clan control relies on shared value, tradition, and company culture to influence employee behavior. Instead of strict rules, employees are guided by social norms and peer expectation. Advantage: encourage intrinsic motivation and loyalty, foster teamwork and organizational commitment, promote long-term engagement and innovation. Disadvantage: take time to develop a strong organizational culture, difficult to enforce in large or highly divided organizations. Example: company culture and value. Google innovation-driven culture encourage employees to take initiative. Team norm: encouraging collaboration and share responsibility in project team. Mentorship and leadership influence. Senior employee acting as role model for junior staff. Conclusion: 3 types of control: preventive, current, and feedback ensure smooth operation at different stages, while control system, financial, operational, and behavioral, help organization maintain stability and strategic alignment by effectively implementing and control. Business can optimize performance, reduce risk, and achieve long-term success. Thanks for your attention.